Let's see how to organize layers in Wix. So, first is we're going to go here in Tools, click this, and then there's Layers right here. Need to press this. First, we're going to understand the layers. So, it's going to contain the header right here. The page, this is going to be the page, and this is the footer. So, in the header, what's in the header is Wix site search, this horizontal menu right here, and cart icon. In the page, there are 3 sections right here, the welcome section, the untitled one, and the gallery. And in the footer, there's the social bar and some text. So, to organize this, let's say for example, the page, this one, and the page, we're going to go here in untitled. In this section, there's some things in this section, some images or whatsoever elements. Just click this triangular like a play button right here, and it's gonna show what's in this section. So as you can see, there's a video player and some images, but we see 2 images here, just right in front. What we're going to do to organize this is we're going to select this video player at the back of them, and we're going to drag it right here to let this be in front of them, of the images, just like that. And to arrange this one, we're just going to drag the pictures right here, or the images. For example, it's going to go here, and this one's going to go here. Now, we can see this other image, but the other image is, we can look at it by pressing this. Oh, it's right at the back. And we can go now and try to drag it to edit, just like that. And this one too. Again, if you want it to be in front, you can just drag the image right in front of this video player right here. Just like that. And let's say you add another section just like this. In here, let's say add sections, and then we'll move this section up right here. The layers is going to be the same, just when you add the new one. So what you're going to do is you can also drag it and arrange it like this, so that it's going to be organized, just like that. And to name a section, just click this right here, right click, and then section settings, and then you can name your section here, something like image section, just like that. And that's it. When you click the layers, again, it's gonna name the sections like that. And that's it. That's how to organize layers in Wix. See you soon.